welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about Marcia and Erica, and what he wants is for them to be more understanding. He's saying that mix-up can go on and everything, but there should be a difference in the way that they approach situations. Just like he has changed, he expects that, other people in social media would change and bring a change to social media to make it more of a peaceful one. And he's saying that mix-up can still go on, but it's the approach, the way that we approach the mix-up, the way that, we say things and, how we say it. And he does understand why Marcia is upset, because if she's sleeping and someone is going to call her phone, then it's going to disturb her and, other stuff. But he's saying that we should do mix-up differently. And if he has changed in, the couple months and stuff that he did, then there's a possibility for others to change and still do mix-up, but do it in a better way. So go ahead and check out the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have a great one.
Now I'm trying to do things differently on here, and I'm quite sure you can use your platform. You can do mix-up, but you can do mix-up with a difference. And I've been preaching this with a difference for a while now. Maybe if you guys were listening to what I'm saying to you, it would have made sense. But clearly, you guys don't want to. You guys don't believe in changing anything about you. Maybe it's because you guys are already set in your ways, and maybe because you are somewhat set in your ways already, why you just choose not to take a different stance on this whole blogging thing we have going on here. The fact that you went out of your way to call this woman's phone in such an early morning, it shows that you really are, I wouldn't say you're scum, but I would say you are just an instigator, because you knew very well if you would have done that, if you did that, it might have potentially triggered the woman to come out and act in a manner that might not have been pleasing to her audience or perhaps herself or whatever. And I'm quite sure that's why you did that, right? But if you guys don't use your platform in a different way, then that's on you. I can't force any of you to do anything you don't want to do. Me know say, the two of you probably I got jump on the page. I don't know what costs me, but darling, it is what it is. Just know say, we are not going down that route no more. I refuse. I am trying to do something over here with a difference. And if people can't appreciate me for the changes I'm implementing in my life, then darling, you wasn't for me from the jump, and you will never be for me in the future. So Porty, I will encourage you, treat people how you want to be treated. Shit, that goes for all of us. Treat people how you want to be treated. Commenters, every single one of us, this goes for. We can do mix-up. We all can do all of the mix-up. Yes, we can. As long as we're respectful. Having respect for people is a beautiful thing. You don't have to come out here every day. Oh, God, suck, you ain't gonna behave like that. To get your point across, you do not have to behave like a damn hooligan or a damn cantankerous human being to get your point across. You can tone it down. You can. Look at me. I should be the poster boy of toning things down. Because let's be real, I've taken this stance. And darlings, I know for a fact I will not change my stance on how I see things now. And listen, on could I draw till God come? I care zero. Who want to support me? I got support me. Who don't want support? Oh well, Dwayne, she knows no other way. No, you can't, Yolanda, you can't say that. Listen, we can change if we choose to. We can do things differently if we choose to. You just have to have that. You just have to have the mindset to say, listen. Like, for example, you see me, I try to not curse bad on my page anymore. And you know, every time I'm gonna utter one out of my mouth, I remind like there's a way. I have I have this little thing I have set up over here. So Dwayne, if you know you're gonna curse bad on, it's always a reminder. Do not do this. Do not do this. I always have that reminding me every time I turn on my live. Every time. So you just have to have the mindset to want to change. You just have to have the mindset to know, okay, you don't want to go down this route anymore. And it's do or die time. It's do or whatever time. Right? Hey, Alana, what's up? Listen, people, listen, we can love Mixup. We can all love Mixup, but we can love Mixup with a difference, and we can all do things differently. I know for a fact a lot of you won't agree with me because let's be real, I am the conductive boy. I am the handicap. I am all of these things. But darling, one thing I know I have values. I have substance. I have substance, and I definitely have morals. I do. I really, really do. Anyways, Porty, you can do your little mix-up, but do your mix-up with a difference. Curly, as for you, I am going to commend you because let's be real, if this was like a couple weeks ago, you would have been coming out, you've been chopping your battles left, right, and center. And in fact, I heard you said on one of your videos the other day, you want to make money on your page too. And if you continue to behave in that manner, YouTube's going to flag your videos. And I do see the changes in you, especially in this video. Continue down this path. Continue down this path and don't let nothing alter your trajectory. Nothing. See the vision, see the tunnel, and go straight on. That's it. Anyways, guys, I have something I want to address before I jump to my other part of my comments. Guys, please like up the video. Please, please, please. I want to get 100 likes on this video. I want to get 100 likes on this video. I'm asking you kindly, please like up the video. I have something else I want to address. Someone said to me to look on Donaghal's video. At this timestamp, I will see and hear what I need to hear. So, let's all listen to it together. Let us all listen to it together. Yeah, let's all listen to it together. What was said from what wasn't said. Oh, hold on. I already did find it. It's in my gallery. Okay, this is it. What was the timestamp again? What was the stamp again? Let me see if we can go back and see it. Hopefully the stamp is still there. Oh my God. Tasha, are you still here? Can you write the timestamp again for me? Please, I'm asking you kindly. Please write it again for me. I'm quite sure I had found it. I think it was 232. I think it was 232. Let's go to 232. Let's do it here. Let's do it from here.
People when I no sense because it actions for her $20 because she hears say me.
Let's do it here.
Go take back. She was one of them recording. After they see the money give out her pay out, they are find it in their heart. She said, you have to send it.
Let's do it from here.
And Miss Paula make somebody pick it. Yes. Message Paula.
231.52.
Yeah. Yes. God
Thank
bless the
you.
little people that will left Jamaica and file it in their heart. The two phone them are dead, me have to go like the live. I'll find it in their heart to send back something, come here, come bless somebody. Out of the little earn and the foreign people them I don't know ya. I don't know nobody, I'll find it in their heart to send something. Me see people who hate me like pies and send money and call me back after they see the money give out or pay out. Me see what they them had done me in a phone, say me go to university go draw out. Me can't go to university go take back school, see young man.
No, you can't do
Hey! Me see one donor we donate $20, 20 Jamaican US dollar. Let me tell you no, because you can't hold no secret for me, now have nothing for recording. $20 US the donor donate and I say she was one of them when was planning to undertaking action for her $20 because she hears say me go take back money for you. And when she realized say nothing like that, she apologized and she give me accolades. So when they give $20, she donating and make people handicap and idiot in her phone. God forbid me to say the word. People get. So when they give $20.
Hold on a minute. Did you guys hear that? I am sure perhaps she's throwing... Okay, hold on a jiffy. Hold on a jiffy. Find some things. Out. Oh, hold on. It's on my page. Hold on. I just remembered. Let's listen to what she said.
She was one of them when was planning to undertaking action for her $20 because she hears say me go take back money for you. And when she realized say nothing like that, she apologized and she give me accolades. So when they give $20, she donating and make people handicap and idiot in her phone. God forbid me to say the word. People when have no sense, because not even handicapped people would have think that where I say them brain not develop, disabled or nobody. Normal people, I tell people say me go for you will go take money and I me have a baker. What tough? Nobody. So